This is the Suzuki Hayabusa Turbo engine designed by Jakusa. This is not an official design from the Suzuki company. Hayabusa Turbo rumors appeared a few years ago, but recently rumors of a Hayabusa GSX-15R have appeared in popular magazines. Because of the news that the Hayabusa will be equipped with a turbo engine, motorcycle designers have released their Hayabusa designs. Recently, a Hayabusa 1500 Turbo design made by designer Jakusa is being circulated in famous magazines. This Suzuki Hayabusa 1500 Turbo design is highly appreciated by everyone. The news revealed by famous motorcycle magazines from the insider information of Suzuki company that a Hayabusa 1500cc equipped with a turbo engine is in development and will be released in the near future. Besides, these famous magazines also revealed that the Kawasaki company is also about to launch the supercharged Ninja ZX-15R engine. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and like, share this video. Thank you and see you.